everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to TCS free hiring breaking news. TCS announced the free hiring for the freshers batch in which you will get the opportunity of Ninja Digital Prime. And good news is 24, 25, 26, 27 batch all branch are eligible. Like and share the video. Let's start the video. Yesterday I posted one video that is related to mass hiring calendar of 8 MNC in which I mentioned that all the hirings from TCS NQT. So finally we got the update related to TCS Codevita, that is hackathon. Codevita season 12 and it is coming soon. It is one of the biggest opportunity for freshers batch, and one most important point, it is started in 2012 and now it is continuously ongoing. Okay, there is the top 3 coder to win total prize money of USD 20,000, chance to explore exciting career with one of the world's most powerful brands. Okay, and one most important point, if you are from 24, 25, 26, 27 batch, you can apply for opportunity. There is a good news for all of you. This is free hiring. Okay, the thing is you do not need to pay any money for that. From institute across the global pursuing undergraduate, diploma, postgraduate discipline from engineering, science background with any specialization. Okay, first is registration, then mock vita are there, rounds are there, and finale is there. Okay, this is the sample question. So why I am posting the video? So the main reason is the registration will be open soon in the upcoming days, but the thing is you have to practice this. Okay, so like where to practice for the code vita and where everything is present. So this is the gallery and this is the frequently asked question. You can check that. We already made lot of videos that is related to code vita previously, in which we already shared all the details that is related to code vita, mock vita. So no need to worry about that. We will share each and everything for with all of you. Okay, so in the code 360 by coding ninjas, they mentioned that there are 3 rounds in TCS code vita: pre-qualifier, qualifier and grand finale. Pre-qualifier is online 6, 8, 10 is the questions and total times are this is the pre-qualifier round and second qualifier and finale. Okay, so they mentioned that basically there is a interview opportunity with TCS. Okay, so suppose if you are clearing the first round, second round, third round, so after that there is a chance of exciting career opportunity with TCS. Okay, so the thing that I have to mention, they mention that registration, mock vita, rounds and finale are there. Okay, so round will be changed, it will totally depends on them. TCS code vita syllabus, array, string, stick, tree, graph, dynamic programming, greedy algorithm, backtracking, recursion, everything is mentioned on the particular website. You can check how to clear code vita, what are the rewards. If your rounds go one well, you will receive annual salary of TCS Ninja 3 to 4 LPA. If your round 3 goes well, you have digital profile at TCS 7 to 8 LPA, or more like package like TCS Ninja Digital Prime. Okay, so the thing is आपको बहुत अच्छे से इसमें परफॉर्म करना है. So after that you will receive the final opportunity that is related to TCS Ninja Digital and Prime. So this is a good news. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching the video and share this video with your friends.